how dark it is. And the rain's just non-stop, man. Come on, give a man a break. No street lights. Like, nothing. We're in the country. Whoa. Look at that. What the heck, man?
1023 Sheffield Road.
Whoa. Whoa. Look at the wind and the rain. Holy cow. Oh my god. Never been caught in this before. Whoa, whoa. Oh my. Why I caught in the middle of a storm? I'm legit scared, man. I'm legit scared. This is scary stuff, man. This is very scary stuff. It feels like I'm in a bloody caught in the middle of a storm or something, man. It is raining so hard as well. It's relentless. Oh my goodness. Sat nav telling me go that way. Oh my god. I see main road. I see a main road. It's like, whoa, look at all the branches and the. I'm surprised there's not more trees. Oh god. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, man. Whoa.
In 1 mile, turn left on A1023 Sheffield Road.
Mad. So bad.
In 500 yards, turn left on A1023 Sheffield Road.
God. I'm literally crawling between 5 and 10 miles an hour. But I'm seeing lampposts, baby! I'm seeing a lamppost! I've never been so happy in my life! Okay.